Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Bash script. Today we are going to learn how to perform the string substitution or find and replace in the Bash. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In Bash, you can perform string substitution or find and replace using the various methods including the parameter expansion and using tools like seed and the awk. Okay, so let's go by step. So here we have replacing a substring in a variable. So how we are going to do that? With the help of this, let's add this. Okay, so here we have a replace the first occurrence of whatever we have a brown with yellow. So what this exactly the syntax means, we are going to explain you. In the bash, the variable, here we have the variable, this should be the variable, this should be the pattern. Okay, here we have the pattern which, and this is the replacement with the yellow, is a form of parameter expansion that substitutes the first occurrence of the pattern in the value of the variable with replacement. Original brown yellow looks for the first occurrence of the substring brown within the value stored in the original. Whatever stored in the original, it looks the brown in the original variable, and replace it with the yellow. So last one is the replacement. Okay, so let's save this and check. Save. Okay, let's go and check over here test.sh. You can see the brown is replaced by the yellow, right? Let's go to the next one. Okay, replacing all occurrences. So this is the first one. Whenever it get the first, it replaces. Okay, if you want to make it globally, then we have to use double slashes. Okay, so let me explain you. This line in the bash, this one. Okay, this line in the bash uses a form of the parameter expansion that performs a global substitution within the string. Okay, original brown and the yellow performs the global substitution of all the occurrences of the substring brown within the value stored in the original variable with yellow. Okay, so let's copy this and add this. So okay, so here what we have, brown two times, let's replace globally with the yellow. Save this and let's try to run, and here you can see this is yellow, this is yellow, replaced. Okay, the next one using the seed. Okay, so here we have the original one. Let's copy and add this, and let's explain this also. Okay, so here we have, let's explain it, do the explanation first. This line means this line. Okay, what does it meaning? This line uses the seed command in the bash to perform find and replace operation using the regular expression. Okay, echo original, so whatever we have putting over here, echo original prints the content of the original variable. First we are printing the very original variable, the content, then seed S brown yellow globally. Okay, is a seed command that uses the substitute S command to find all the occurrences of the brown. So where we have the S command, what will it will do? The command to find all the occurrences of a brown and replace with the yellow with this one, S brown yellow. Okay, and the G flag stands for the global, meaning it replaces all the occurrences of the each line. Okay, dollar, which is enclosed in this bracket, execute the command enclosed within it. The output echo original, okay, is piped with two seed. Okay, here you can see that it is piped with seed ones, the printing and the replacing piped with this one, and then we are echo that replaced variable. Okay, let's check this is working or not. Let's save this and let's go and check this one. So here you can see that it is replaced. Okay, moving to the next one, this is the seed command. Next command we have awk. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, So here we have a echo original. Okay, so here we have a echo original, right? Prints the content of the original variable. Okay, then awk g sub brown with yellow and 1 is an awk command. J sub brown yellow is an awk function that globally substitutes G for the global all occurrences of brown with yellow in each input line. Curly braces. Okay, here you can see that there is a curly braces, right? This is enclosed in that one. Encapsulate the actions to be performed. And one is a condition that evaluates to be true, triggering that the default action of printing each modified line. And the next, the output of the echo dollar original is piped with 2 wk8 with this one, right? And then we are echo the replace one, replaced variable, right? So let's see this is also successful on that note or not. So here you can see brown is replaced with the yellow one. So these are the methods that you can use that one, okay, in this substitution part. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.